Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the right wire and mandrel. This sets ring strength and fit. Use 2022 gauge stainless because thinner wires deform and thicker ones are hard to cut cleanly. Once done, anchor the wire to the mandrel and begin coiling under steady tension so turns sit snugly side by side. Make sure to maintain consistent spacing. Inconsistent wraps create weak spots and odd-looking rings. If your coil skips or loosens, rewind the last few turns to re-establish even tension and alignment. You now separate individual rings and shape them precisely. Use a sharp flush cutter or a jeweler's saw and cut straight across the coil so each ring has clean ends. This prevents snagging. Next, deburr the ends with a fine diamond file or 600-800 grit to smooth edges and ensure safe handling. For closing, use 2 pairs of flat nose pliers and a twist motion rather than pulling. This aligns the cut ends without bending the circular form. Make sure each ring sits flat and round before moving on. You finish by polishing and inspecting every ring to ensure durability and appearance. Use a rotary brush or small tumbler with stainless media to remove fine burrs and brighten the surface. This also reveals any weak cuts or deformations. Then assemble a test length to confirm fit and that closures are secure. If rings bind, crack, or spring open, make sure the wire temper is appropriate. Switch gauge or anneal lightly to reduce brittleness. Troubleshoot by correcting coil tension and replacing damaged segments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.